Hello, my creative crafters. Welcome back to our cozy crafting world. Today's video is all about pom-pom creations. Those soft, colorful, fluffy little balls that bring so much joy and charm to your any decorations. We will explore their beauty, how they can brighten your home, and the amazing benefits of crafting that comes with them. So sit back here with your yarn, scissor, pom-pom balls and glue and cardboard, and let's begin this beautiful creative journey together. Pom-poms are one of the most simplest yet most adorable crafts you can make. They came in every colors, bright reds, cozy whites, soft pastels, and glittery golds for X-Max. You can use them to decorate your walls, your X-Max tree, your bags, or even your clothes. Each pom-pom adds a burst of happiness, softness, and warmth to your space. And the best part, they are so easy and relaxing to make. A perfect craft for beginner and kids too, and kids love them. When you hold the pom-pom in your hand, it instantly brings a smile. Their fluffy texture reminds us of clouds, snowballs, or even childhood memories. They can transform any dull corner into a lively, cheerful spot. Add them to curtains, wreath, or cushions, and suddenly your home looks like a joyful handmade festival. Pom-pom gardens hanging across your room gives such a magical, cozy touch. So, benefits of crafting: longer, softer, and beautifully narrated for your handmade and decor style. Today I'm going to share something truly beautiful, colorful, and heart-touching pom-pom creations. Pom-poms are Pom-poms are small, fluffy, and filled with joy, yet they bring such a big difference to your decoration. Whether you are creating for Xmas, your home, or your personal crafts collection, these tiny balls of happiness can transform your mood, your space, and your spirit. So take your yarn. Pom-poms are tiny balls made from yarn, wool, and fabric strip. They can be small like buttons or big like fluffy snowballs. So you can make them by hands or use a pom-pom makers. They can be small like buttons or big like fluffy snowballs. Just wrap the yarn around a fork, tie it tightly, and trim it into a perfect round shape. And there you go, a special handmade pom-pom ready to brighten your world. What makes them special is how simple they are, and how beautiful, soft, colorful, bright, yet how magical they look. Every color combination brings a new feelings. Red and green or X-Max for X-Max. Pink and white for baby decor, or yellow and blue for summer vibes. It's a craft. It's a beautiful craft and beautiful way to decor. So hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. We will try to definitely upload whatever you want to watch. Pom-poms are not just decoration, they are expressions of happiness. Each fluffy balls add warmth, softness, and a playful charm to your craft. They are perfect for your decor, fashion, gifts, and festival. also do something with these designs and something different with these ideas and designs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more designs and ideas. And the joy doesn't end there. When you make pom-poms, you feel a calm rhythm in your hands. The wrapping, cutting and shaping become like a form of meditation. You start feeling as peaceful, creative and connected to your inner artist. Starting them together for walls, windows or party decor, you can mix colors, mix red, white and green for mix pastels for spring. So thank you for joining us today. They are joy, therapy, art and love all in one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas and mindful crafting inspiration. Let's continue spreading color, calmness and creativity together. Keep crafting, keep smiling and remember, handmade is heart.